What if skipping food for just a day and a half could transform your health? Most people think fasting means starving, but that's not the case. Our bodies are built to handle, and even benefit from, periods without food. A 36-hour fast isn't about deprivation. It's about giving your digestive system a break so your body can focus on deep repair. Think of it as hitting a reset button for your body, clearing out waste and burning stored fuel. This isn't self-punishment, it's self-care, and it can spark real change. The idea might sound tough, but it's more manageable than you think. Understanding what happens inside your body makes the process easier. Fasting activates ancient survival pathways and rejuvenates you at a cellular level. It's not about willpower, but about working with your body's natural intelligence. Let's move past the myth that fasting is just about hunger and explore it as a tool for transformation. Ready to discover how a simple fast can unlock a healthier, more resilient you? When you start a 36-hour fast, your body follows a fascinating timeline. For the first 12 hours, you're just burning off the glucose from your last meal. Business as usual. After 12 hours, your body runs low on glucose and starts burning stored fat for energy, entering ketosis. This switch is key for weight loss and metabolic health. Past 24 hours, your body ramps up autophagy, its internal cleaning crew, removing damaged cells and recycling parts. By 36 hours, you're in full fat-burning mode, with high ketone levels fueling your brain for sharper focus. Insulin drops, improving your body's sensitivity and helping prevent type 2 diabetes. Your digestive system gets a complete rest, allowing deep repair. This simple act triggers a cascade of benefits, from fat loss to mental clarity. Fasting is your body's way of hitting refresh. A 36-hour fast can be powerful, if you do it right. Hydration is crucial. Drink plenty of water, and zero-calorie drinks like black coffee or herbal tea can help. Don't forget electrolytes. Add a pinch of sea salt or use a supplement to avoid fatigue or cramps. If you're new to fasting, start slow. Try shorter fasts first, like 16 hours, then work up to 24 before attempting 36. Think of it as training your body, not shocking it. When it's time to break your fast, go easy. Start with a small, protein-rich meal like bone broth or eggs. Avoid heavy or high-carb foods to prevent digestive distress. The goal is to support your body, not overwhelm it. Gradual adaptation and gentle refeeding make fasting safer and more effective. Approach fasting as a mindful reset, not a crash diet. Completing a 36-hour fast unlocks a range of science-backed benefits. You become a fat-burning machine, targeting stubborn fat and boosting metabolic flexibility. Fasting improves insulin sensitivity, helping prevent diabetes and stabilize energy. Deep autophagy clears out cellular junk, reducing inflammation and slowing aging. Your brain gets a boost from ketones, often leading to sharper focus and less brain fog. But fasting isn't for everyone. Avoid it if you're pregnant, underweight, or have certain health conditions. Always consult your doctor if you have medical concerns. For most, fasting is a powerful tool for health and renewal. Are you ready to unlock your body's potential?